right, here we go.
Okay, Ophelia. This is your very first solid food. It's green beans from Papa and Grandma's garden. And you helped me cook them.
And you love them. Let her. Do you like it? Do you like them? Is it different? Is it different?
She can't figure it out. Is it yummy, yummy?
No. No. Ooh. Do you like green beans?
So we'll keep trying. Here's another pie.
Ooh. All right.